Welcome to the guide on how to participate in the intelligent staking on SanR on the leaderboard page. Scroll down to the staking summary section. Here you can see the total SAN staked, the number of players participating in the staking league, and also the reward pool for this epoch. Let's head over to the staking page. Over here, you can view your available SAN tokens for use. To participate in the staking league, you would need a minimum of 500 available SAN tokens. If you have insufficient SAN tokens, you can head over to the swap link as shown on the navigation bar. Search for the pair token you would wish to swap for SAN tokens. Over on the video, we used Ethereum for the swap. Enter the desired amount of tokens for the swap, and then you can proceed with the swap. Once the swap is successful, we can head back to the staking page to check on your balance. On the Deposit tab, you can deposit your SAN tokens from Ethereum to native SAN tokens. Once deposited, they will appear on your SAN balance. Proceeding on, we would need to wrap the tokens before staking. This will be done on the Wrap tab, where we will change back to the SanR network. Once you have wrapped your desired amount of tokens, you can then view them on the available WSAN shown on the left. We can then stake our tokens to be able to compete in the Staking Intelligence League. Do note that a minimum of 500 available WSAN will be needed to participate. Once you have successfully staked your tokens, you can view the current stake tokens on the left. To get started with the Stake Dragon League, let's head over to the Signals page to open a signal. For any further info on how to open a signal, check out our videos linked below for a simple guide. Once you have successfully issued a signal after staking, head over to the staking page to see your current league status. On the leaderboard, you can view and follow other players that are also participating in the Stake League. Thanks for watching the guide for staking. Have a great time forecasting signals.